Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Our channel is all about news and economic updates. So make sure you subscribe to our channel so that whenever we will upload latest news updates you will be notified.
So let's start today's update. Devyani International Limited, which was incorporated in 1991, is the largest franchisee of Yum brands and among the largest quick-service restaurant chain operators in India with 655 stores across 155 cities all over the country as of the 31st of March 2021. Yum Brands incorporates many fast food brands like Pizza Hut, KFC, and Taco Bell brands. Initially, the business started with a Pizza Hut store in Jaipur but subsequently expanded operations in both KFC and Pizza Hut. As of the 31st of March 2021, it operates 264 KFC stores, 297 Pizza Hut stores, and 44 Costa Coffee stores in India.
Devyani International Limited, DIL, on the 19th of July announced that it has received SEBI's nod for its initial public offering or IPO. The firm had filed its DRHP with SEBI on May 19, 2021. The DRHP, a draft red herring prospectus of Devyani International, includes its plans to raise 400 crore rupees through fresh equity shares and 1000 crore rupees through offer for sale, taking its total IPO size to 1400 crore rupees. Ravikant Jaipuria, Varun Jaipuria, and RJ Corp Limited are the company promoters. Ravikant Jaipuria told that, "We want to reduce the company's debt to strengthen our balance sheet, which will help future expansion and business development."
DIL commenced its relationship with Yum Brands in 1997, with its first Pizza Hut store in Jaipur. Between March 2019 and 2021, the co-brand stores saw a CAGR growth of 13.58% from 469 stores to 605 stores, and the company attributes its success and continuous growth effort to its 9,356 employees. DIL also became the single largest QSR company in India to be listed on Swiggy and was among the major QSR companies in India beta listed on the Zomato platform in 2019 and 2020. The sale value of the QSR industry will grow at a CAGR of 12.4% between 2020 and 2025, according to experts. Devyani's business from the core brands in FY21 accounted for 94.19% of its revenues from operations, and delivery sales represented 70.20% of the said revenues, which is an increase from 51.15% in FY20.
During the pandemic too, DIL opened 109 stores across its core brand business in the last 6 months. KFC and Pizza Hut were amongst the earliest to roll out contactless delivery in May 2020 and June 2020, respectively. Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, CLSA India Private Limited, Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited have been appointed as investment bankers to the issue. Now let's have a look on the objectives of the IPO. The objectives of Devyani International Limited's IPO are to fund prepayment or repayment of entire or a portion of company's debt of 357.8 crore rupees, to meet other working capital requirements and different corporate purposes. How to apply the Devyani International IPO? You can apply Devyani International IPO via ASBA available in your bank account. Just go to the online bank login and apply via your bank account by selecting the Devyani International IPO in the Invest section. The other option, you can apply Devyani International IPO via IPO forms download via NSA and BSE. That is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, then don't forget to press the like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel.